Hi, this is Mike Brady. So I wanted to shoot you this video to show you some of the things that will help you improve your website's rankings on Google and bring you more business. I'm at your website right now, and I've copied your URL and I put it into an SEO scanner that I use. And well, you want to check your heading tags. Your heading tags are what Google looks at to determine what your site's about and what to rank it for. The tags are made up of your title tag, your metadata tag, and your H1 and H2 tags. Your title tag looks good, as does your meta description. Both are looking really good. Unfortunately, you don't have an H1 header tag or H2 header tag. And that's why you're not on page one. I don't know about you, but I usually go to Google and I pick the first 3 or 4 companies on page one and I get bids from them. So let's see how you're ranking on Google as of right now. I use a third-party tool for this. It's called SERPtrack. You can get a 30-day free subscription and track your company every day. As you can see right here, I use these keywords: Bakersfield tree service, Bakersfield tree trimming, and Bakersfield tree removal. Unfortunately, you are on page 2 for all those keywords because you're missing your H1 and H2 tags. Now we can fix that for you. It's what we do. It's why I'm reaching out to you today. We can get you on page 1 in a couple of weeks. We can get you ranked there and get you more business. So if you have any questions, please respond to the email. Thanks for your time. Again, my name is Mike Brady. If you'd like to reach out and call me, my number is 559-691-0320. Thank you so much.